In today's video, I'll show you 2 steps on how you can reset your NordicTrack treadmill. So the first one is going to be the simplest one. Basically, for the first step, you want to look for the reset button. Normally, you will find it in the front of the Nordic treadmill or next to the power cord. Now, it's going to simply look something like this, where you will be able to see the reset button right beside the switch power. Now, you can turn the machine on and check if all the components are assembled properly and if the machine is positioned appropriately. From there, we can then turn on the Nordic treadmill. You simply want to insert the magnetic key. You will find the magnetic keyhole either on the opposite end of your Nordic treadmill or on the model which is attached to the console. You need to insert the magnetic key to start the console software. And lastly, after the screen or the system is powered on, you will see a reboot icon in the lower right corner of the screen. You need to press the reboot button, after which your device settings and UI will restart. This will resolve most of your issues. But if not, let's then navigate through the more complicated one, which is by using the application. Now, factory reset works only on the latest console. To see if your Nordic machine is compatible with this process, you want to look at your settings and check your firmware version. The versions available for factory reset starts at 7.1. So if you confirm that your version starts with that, let's then head over to the step-by-step right here. The first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through the power button once again. You want to restart the machine. From there, wait for some time and then switch the treadmill back on. Now, to find the switch on your device, once again, you can just look for the user manual. It's going to be most likely under or beside your console. From there, you then want to find the pinhole, which is either on the back of your console or on the side of your treadmill. So you can find it in the manufacturer's manual as you are shown right here. You then want to insert the paper clip while pressing on the pinhole. You then want to hold it down and insert the paper clip. Keep holding the paper clip and ask another person to switch the power on. When the displays on the treadmill lights up, you then want to remove the paper clip. You will then see the message in blue, "System restore, please wait." The iFit logo appears when the screen lights up. You can repeat the previous steps in the sentence that this not appear. You then want to wait for around 30 seconds when you see this specific message till you get the next blue text, which is after which the restoration process must be restarted. You then want to reconnect to the Wi-Fi connection. You can choose your time zone and unit and more. You can then want to log in into the iFit application with your username and password, and from there you can begin entering your new program on the treadmill. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.